Hi everyone. Yes, I know the desk is disgusting. Let's just do a quick sweep over the desk. Yes. Yeah, I know it's bad. It's bad. Oh look. Asus Tinkerboard. Very nice. New Raspberry Pi compute module. But what we're interested in today is RTk.GPIO. Created by Ryanteck, this is a GPIO breakout for your laptop. No Raspberry Pi connected. That is going straight to my USB hub over here. And what I've done, I've taken a basic example from the ModMyPi website, which shows how to use a Rotary Encoder. What are these? This you just plugged into the breadboard. No resistors, no nothing, just plugged straight into GPIO. And I've taken the example from ModMyPi, and I'll put a link to that in the comments, which was originally written for the Raspberry Pi, so it used the RTk.GPIO library. All I've done is, using pip for Python, install the RTK library, and then just altered the code to reference the RTK library. It was literally just line 1, which is the import, and then the print statement was written for Python 2, but I'm using Python 3, so I just changed that by putting the brackets around it. And there's the output. Now I'm going to hold this left-handed and turn the potentiometer, what's it called? The rotary encoder. And I'm turning it clockwise, and you can see the numbers going up. If I turn it anti-clockwise, the numbers going down. So I'm using a Raspberry Pi script with the RTk.GPIO, and I'm doing Python physical computing with my laptop. Anyway, thanks.